Hi, I'm Miss K. I'm just taking my mask off because I'm more than 6 feet away from everybody. I just want to tell you a little bit about me and our class for this year. First about me, I'm so excited to be new here at Hanson Middle. This is actually my 4th year teaching. I just moved back to Massachusetts from New London, Connecticut. I taught 5th grade math and science there, and previously I've also taught fourth grade full classroom, and also grades 1 to 5 just science. I also have a degree in biology and a degree in elementary education from Bridgewater State University, which is right close to us. So what will we learn this year in science? For 7th grade, we're going to be following the NGSS standards for this year. Our mentor text is the McGraw-Hill curriculum, and some of the things that we're going to be learning about include biomes and ecosystems, animal behaviors and plant processes, magnetism and electricity, and energy and simple machines. For 8th grade, we're using the same curriculum, same standards. We'll be learning about topics such as seasons and tides, weather, environmental impacts, genetics and heredity, evolution, matter and its interactions, and forces and interactions. So my expectations and rules for all of my classes. My big 3 are safety, respect, and kindness. Obviously, our number 1 this year and every year is safety. We need to follow our safety guidelines for COVID, in addition to technology safety and classroom and lab safety. Respect is extremely important, both respect for me to my students and their parents and guardians, and also their respect to me and each other. So we need to respect each other's personal space, their belongings and my belongings, our learning environment here, and your own ability. And lastly, kindness is huge. Kindness, you need to be respectful of others, and you don't need to be afraid to ask for help. That's something that we need to be kind to others and accept that everybody needs a little bit of help sometimes, and then treat others how you would want to be treated. And lastly, so let's get in touch. Here's how to find me. So my email address is caitlin.cummer@whrsd.org. Here's my phone number. And then lastly, we're going to be using the Remind app just for me to get in touch with parents and guardians. It's a way to privately and protected instant message between parents and guardians and teachers. So you can get me pretty much instantly within my office hours. And then also, it's a way for me to post any important updates and messages or files on our site. And then all you have to do to sign up to our class is click either the 7th grade, if you're a 7th grade parent, or an 8th grade link, if you're an 8th grade parent, to connect instantly with my class, and then I'll approve you so we can be linked together. And this will be posted on my website so that you can access the links directly. Can't wait to meet you.